can always see the night.
Hey, what's up, family? Today we back in the studio with another banger, and we're gonna go ahead and talk about Supreme. I don't even know what week we on, bruh, but it is the TNF collaboration, and I do want to go ahead and touch light on it a little bit. If you do end up enjoying this video, go ahead and leave a like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. We're on journey to 20K, so go ahead and subscribe down below, please. Come on, bro, and check out Nori Archives. I've been posting on there consistently. If you're trying to see some sick ass shit on your feed, go ahead and follow me on there. But without any further ado, man, let's go ahead and get straight to it. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and talk about Supreme first, and if I have a little bit of time, I'm gonna touch on the fact that Nike is supposedly gonna be restocking a pair of Jordan 1, Jordan 4s, and a pair of Jordan 11s, something like that. The first item in the drop list is not even part of TNF, so I'm gonna go ahead and just talk about it first, and it is the saw right here. This low-key brings me back in the day when I used to live with my grandparents, and fucking my grandpa got me like this miniature saw, and it looked literally like this, but it had like the wooden handle and shit. Bro, I don't know why this shit looks so fire. I don't know what the fuck I would do with a saw, but I'm low-key considering just going for the saw this week. Shit is fire. I love when Supreme does collabs with items that low-key bring you back to the past with something that connects to you. You know what I'm saying? Like for me, it's been a couple times, to be honest, with the trap phone they released, the cafetera, aka the coffee maker they released. That one was actually special for me. And then this saw right here, the saw is actually hard. Let me know what y'all have to say about this. I know it's a little bit weird to even be buying like a fucking saw. What the fuck? I don't even know. I do have like some connection to it, and I feel like it's a sick item in general. A red Supreme saw, it's fucking fire. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna go ahead and talk about the TNF collaboration. Honestly, I'm here and there with it. I'm not gonna lie, I really do hope that part 2 is a little bit better, because part 1 is looking a little bit too gimmicky in my opinion. Too much Supreme spelled out on that shit. I do like more subtle vibes, like I'm not gonna lie. This one's a little bit on the louder side. I do feel like a lot of people will freak with it, and if I was personally gonna pick it up, I'd pick up the black fleece over anything. Honestly, the more I look at it, it's not that bad. I don't know, bro. It's just not my cup of tea. The little cargo pockets on the steep tech, I wish that this shit was a little more subtle, bro. Like, come on, what you doing? This shit could have been so much more simple. They literally blasted Supreme around the whole shit. Let me know what y'all think about the fleece jacket in the comments below. I feel like it's not terrible in the black color, but that white one, I wish it was cream, to be honest. It'd be a little bit more passable. The blue is too loud for me. The only solid one in my opinion would be the black. Next we got the book bag, which comes in the same 3 colorways, the white and multicolor, which is the best color on the book bag. Honestly, the book bag ain't that bad, I'm not gonna lie. In the black color or that white with the multicolor, the book bag is definitely hard. I wouldn't even mind picking that one up, but I do have an FTP book bag on the way, so I'm cooling on this for now, you feel me? Let's go ahead and relax. We got the steep tech jacket. This one comes in the same 3 colorways, and once again, it's looking like a little bit too much for me, bruh. That white with the multicolor ain't that bad, you feel me? I do like it without the hood. The black one, it's just too much Supreme, bro. What are you doing? And I do wish that the blue was just like a softer, more sky blue tone. That would have been hard. Like a pastel blue would have definitely been hard, bro. I'm not gonna lie, but the blue that they chose is just too loud. I was excited when they said TNF collab. This ain't it. Obviously, if you like it, I might even go for it personally, the fleece, because it's a little cheaper, and I know that it has some room for profit if I decide not to keep it. I feel like part 2 needs to be better, bro. Is the 700 filled down parka. That one basically has that same Supreme blasted all around this bitch, but it's on a bigger ass coat, like some snowboarding ass coat on this one. It's the same looking ass design. For this type of coat, honestly, you could go with either or, because this is like some snowboarding shit. Like, it don't matter what color you wear, you just trying to be hot, you feel me? Like, this is a big ass coat, so if you trying to stay warm, it don't matter what color you getting, 700 feathers gonna hold you down in this bitch. I don't know how I feel about it. Low-key, this bitch gonna be like $800 off the rip, so I'm excluding myself from this jacket. I might pick up the fleece maybe, just maybe, bruh, I don't even know just yet, there's one more piece that has the same like design with the all over print shit, and it is the headband. This one comes in the same 3 colors. The multicolor one actually isn't bad for this. I kind of do like it, but personally I don't even wear shit like this, so I'm not even gonna try to wear shit like this. I have a headband left and I'm low-key selling this shit. I wear fitteds like all day, fitteds. That's all I need. Fitteds, maybe a little trucker hat here and there, you feel me? But that's it. But as far as that design goes with the all over print vibe to it, I don't know how I feel about it, low key. The fleece and the little headband are the best pieces from it. The book bag actually isn't that bad, and it all depends on what kind of jacket you're going for. I'm gonna put them all up right there so you can low key decide what is your favorite. You know what I'm saying? So go ahead and let me know in the comments, what are your top 2 to 3 pieces out of this shit right here? Personally, the design, it's just a little too much. Like, I don't know what it is, but it's too much. And I hope part 2 is better. So let's go ahead and get that shit out of here. We got the tee, which comes in 4 colorways. Low key, the tee is better than the jacket. Like, I'm not gonna lie. I love the simplicity of this shit. It basically has a mountain on the back of it, little Supreme logo, little North Face logo. Call it a day, bruh. It has a little Supreme TNF on the titty area on the front, and that's it. Like, this one's actually hard. If I were to go for it, which I honestly might go for the green. I don't feel like I have anything in that tone of green, and I do have the pine green Jordan 1s, which I low-key feel like would look nice with that right there, so I might end up picking that up. And we also do have the hoodie with the same design on it, but this time on the front, and it has the TNF Supreme on the sleeve right there, so that one is actually hard, and that black colorway just looks so clean, and I feel like it's TNF Supreme, yeah, but it's subtle, and that's what I really do love about it. It has the little Supreme TNF branding like I said before, and you can tell that this is a different quality hoodie than what Supreme normally does. It almost looks like North Face type materials rather than Supreme, which isn't a bad thing, you feel me? Because we've been buying Supreme and it's the same shit over and over. I'm about to start incorporating more sneakers ASAP. Oh shit, so we got one more piece that I almost forgot about, I'm not gonna lie, and it is the Steep Tech pants. It's the same shit as the jacket, bruh, but in the pants. I'm not gonna lie, bruh. Same exact concept, same shit going on, same colors, same assness, bruh. Let's be realistic. This shit is dookaloo, so cheeks, bruh. Please let me know what you're going for this week. Honestly, when people mention Supreme TNF, I'm thinking the puffy with the cheetah print on it. I'm thinking the one with the skyline on it. I'm thinking some fire shit. This is not that. None of that. Any of that, literally any means necessary. I'm looking at it right here. They did that too, and this is not that. So I'm gonna go ahead and just probably like stick away from it. But last up, really quick, on the sneakers app, they actually did post this picture right here, which is saying that there's gonna be a restock this week for 3 pairs of sneakers. One of them looks like to be a Jordan 4, one looks like it's a Jordan 1, then the other one could low-key be like a multitude of shit. People are saying that it's like a Jordan 11. Personally, I don't know what the fuck that bottom shoe, I know the top 2 are Jordan 4s and 1s, but that bottom one, I don't know what the hell it is. But yeah, there's gonna be that restock. Another shot at some sneakers you might like, go ahead and go for it, please. We don't know exactly what sneakers are gonna be releasing yet, but there is gonna be some sneakers dropping. If you guys did end up enjoying this video, man, leave a like on it down below, subscribe to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe. We're on road to 20,000, so make sure you go ahead and click that red button, make that bitch gray, make it blue, whatever color it turns for you, slight bars once you do subscribe. But with all that being said, man, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real